Hello, myself Dr. Anagha Madhuraj Kulkarni. I am a IBCLC, that is a board certified international lactation consultant. Today we are going to discuss the commonly asked questions by the mothers and the parents. So first question will be is it my milk is sufficient for my baby that I am seeing only few single drops? So the answer will be the yes, definitely. Every baby's stomach capacity is different according to the baby's birth weight, and every mother started her milk production from her 4th month of pregnancy, that is a 16th week of pregnancy only. So every mother started with a few drops, as a baby's stomach initially is only cherry fruit. So their intake will be from 10 ml to max 15 ml per 2 to 3 hourly. So yes, mother's milk is sufficient, and it gradually is growing up with the milk production from the 3rd day naturally. Second question will be the how I get to know my baby is getting hungry. So before crying is always last and late hunger cue. Every baby is showing certain feeding cues which is called the hunger cues, and you need to do the demand feeding. That is blinking the little eyes, up and down hand to leg movements, ear to ear movement. They are searching just for the milk. Where is my mama and where is my food? Second thing, just they are putting the hands inside the mouth, licking the mittens. All these are the early and the mid cues. Crying is always last and late hunger cue. So I am suggesting all the mothers, you can just recognize these cues and start the feeding as soon as possible once you see that baby is demanding for the food. Third questions is commonly asked that is my milk is going properly to the baby, because the baby is taking frequently 5 minutes, again they are sleeping, again they are waking up and taking. So you just observe that initially every baby is having little weight loss. So if weight loss is under acceptable range and daily baby is passing urine nicely, means within first 24 hours life at least one time baby has to pass the urine, and gradually as frequently you are demanding and doing the breastfeeding frequently, so the baby will pass the frequently urine. So urine and the weight are only the indication. So minimum 4 times baby has to pass the urine within 24 hours from the 2nd day onwards to 6th day. So this is the indication that mother's milk is going perfectly fine to the baby. And one more easily asked and most commonly asked question, how frequently I need to feed my baby and for the how duration. So there is no any certain specific time to feed the baby or restrictions to breastfeed. As a baby, if is demanding for the 15 to 30 minutes, you can just feed the baby. If baby needs to more frequently feed, then you can just change another breast also, let the baby take. And 8 to 12 times in a total day you need to feed the baby. So in full day nearly 12 times you need to feed the baby 2 to 3 hourly. But before 2 to 3 hourly, if baby start showing the feeding cues, hunger cues, immediately you can start the feeding. This is called only the demand feeding. Thank you.